Welcome back to Arise Exchange. In just a few days, businesses of all sizes must start complying with aspects of the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, even if they don't have to provide health insurance. There remains a whole lot of confusion. One person who has been helping us through it all is Aaron Smith of A.W. Smith Financial. Good afternoon, Aaron, and welcome back to Arise.
Thank you, Andrew, for having me once again. And I'd love to be here with you.
Well, this is sort of our favorite topic right now. So let me start where we kind of left it off last time. Where do we stand right now? What are the key things that are going to happen on Tuesday?
Well, first of all, on Tuesday, we have to understand that there are two different portals, you should say, with the exchange. We have the individual portal, Andrew, and we have the small business exchange portal. And right now, it looks like the small business exchange portal is not all running as well as we want it to run in many states.
What a surprise there. What is supposed to happen in the small business portal, assuming that it was going to be run correctly? And is this portal a federal government portal or is it a state-run portal?
Well, it can be either or. If there's a state that does not, if there's a governorship, I would say, in the state that you reside in, and they don't offer a state program, it would be offered by the federal government. Otherwise, it will be offered by the state government. This portal is designed to allow you, the employer, a small business owner, to go on to this portal and offer some type of coverage for your employees. Your employees will have an opportunity, Andrew, to go on these portals and get their health insurance. That's what it's designed for, and that's what you have to notify, Andrew, your employees of.
Well, I'm pretty confident that the federal government will get it fixed in 3 days. I will say this, that the Labor Department has this frequently asked questions sheet that they're giving employers, and I have seen it. And it leads to more questions than answers. Something you brought up last time is even if you're not going to provide health care, you need to provide your employees a certain type of notification. And I bet you there are a lot of small businesses out there that are not familiar with it.
Well, I tell you what, I am very familiar with it, and you're absolutely right. Many small business owners are not, Andrew, familiar with it. And a matter of fact, I have a copy of it right here in front of me.
I like it. You bring it here, Aaron. You bring the props.
I'm bringing it, and I would select that all your viewers, the small business owners, go to healthcare.gov. Go there and get the information. If you do not provide coverage, if you earn at least over $500,000 in revenue in your small business and you have at least one employee, Andrew, and you don't provide a notification mandate to your employees, then you are going to be penalized for every single employee you don't notify.
And if you're an employee, if you're the one employee in your company, you probably have to give that form to yourself. I imagine. Let me ask you about this government shutdown and what small businesses are thinking. Do they support the idea of shutting down the government over the Health Care Act?
Well, not really. I mean, small business owners are really, think about, small business owners, Andrew, wear many hats. It's not just healthcare. You know, they're concerned about lending. They're concerned about regulation. They're concerned about taxes. So they're not put all of their energy into healthcare, but they want the right thing to happen, not only for large corporations, but equally for themselves as a small business.
And let me just ask you in general about the threat of a small business government shutdown. Is that going to have a significant impact for small businesses, or are they just going to keep going on their way?
I think they're going to keep going. I think, small business owners are resilient. We're resilient people. We have what we call a discipline, I should say, or persistence in who we are to keep moving. So there are many things that always happen in our country that we don't totally agree with, Andrew, but we keep moving along.
That's true. Small businesses have been very resilient during the economic downturn and have been handling this very well. Aaron, we will have you back on soon, of course, once the program rolls out, to talk more about it and talk about other small business issues. Aaron Smith of A.W. Smith Financial, thank you for coming on again.
I would love to come back. Thank you, Andrew.
And you are watching Arise Exchange.